under the open skies of Upper Marlboro. At Asawana Farms, where we grow organic vegetables, where we use no chemicals or pesticides, where we grow food for you, your family, and our community. We appreciate your support throughout these years. At Asawana Farms, where we grow bitter leaf, bitter melon, moringa, okra, kalalu, peppers, hot and bold, nature's medicine, pure and gold. Come grow with us.